Hi, I am back again after sabbatical. I could not continue my videos due to personal reasons, and I'm extremely sorry. And I will be regular hereafter in posting videos to help you to live life much better and comfortable, which is the aim of every individual in this life. First and foremost thing, what is important is knowledge. Awareness, peripheral knowledge, that is what you have things around you, which is very important. Knowledge gives you that mental strength. Physically, we give lot of importance to make ourselves strong and healthy, and we feel sick if we don't eat properly. The same way, the brain, when you don't feed what is required for the brain and don't direct the brain to where it will want to react to you will find that it will become an impediment in life to achieve what you want. Best thing in life is to be aware of this and try to do what is required to make it much better. In my opinion, I feel that we have to give more importance to the enriching our brains and making it a very good instrument, as Sadhguru says, to make it life a much better one for us. Animals and birds cannot improve their life, they exist, but human beings can improve their life. Only thing is, we have to think how we can do it. We need not be in the same situation for lifetime. And mentally, we have to understand that what is important to make ourselves comfortable and easy to achieve our goal, which is more important. Goal does not mean reaching the aim of professional life. Goal means leading a happy and peaceful and comfortable life as well. For that, many things are required, and only when you are mentally strong as you are physically strong, you will be able to achieve it. By reacting to every situation and getting demoralized may not lead you anywhere. Rather, finding a way out of that situation in a calm demeanor can make you achieve things in life in much better way. Be a man or a woman, girl or a boy, everybody should strive to make their life much better. So far you have not studied properly, apply yourself to study properly. Study does not mean that you will earn well. Study means you will become a better human being. And that will help you to do things in life, will give you the mental courage to do many things in life. Like we have physical courage, which I dealt earlier in my videos, where somebody comes and hits you, you hit back, is the physical courage. But mental courage is something which is not going right for you, but you stand straight, calm, with composed demeanor to make things right for you, which is very important. And I feel that gives you that strength to overcome all ordeals of life. Ordeals come every time to everybody, it spares no one. It's only the question of how each one deals with it. So I hope that this video will give you that insight, and I will be very regular and I'll come back with certain videos which are required for the youth to show direction in life. And if you find my videos worthwhile, please do share and subscribe if you are a new subscriber, so that it benefits many. As I have been telling earlier in my videos, I can't reach each and every one. This is the only medium I have found that I can reach and show them the direction. It is a small uh, service of mine for the benefit of youth around the world who does not or do not have people to guide them better. To give you further report introduction about myself, I'm a graduate test trainer, language trainer, and mentor as well. I hope this video of mine has given you what you require. Thank you. See you in the next video.